To make this soup, I'll start by roasting the musk melon seeds for some few minutes. This is called niri in our local dialect. And I'll go ahead and wash it, then I'll transfer it into a blender, add some water and blend into a fine paste. After blending it, I'll go ahead and sieve it for at least 3 times. After straining it, I'll boil it for some few minutes before transferring it into my meat because the meat I'm using is quite soft. I'll be using turkey meat for this recipe. So on the other side, I've placed my meat on fire and I'm adding blended onions, garlic and ginger to it, Maggi seasoning and salt to taste, then some tomato paste. After this boils for a few minutes, I'll stir it and add some water to it and let it continue steaming. Our musk melon seed juice has been boiling for a while, so I'll then transfer it into the meat and allow everything to cook together. Our soup looks amazing already. I'll then add some fresh tomatoes and fresh pepper to this and allow them to boil together with the soup until they are soft, after which I'll take them out of the soup and then I'll grind and pour it back into the soup. Lastly, I'll adjust the salt and allow this to continue cooking until it is ready. I'll also add some pepper and then yeah, our soup is ready. We enjoyed it with some kokonte. You can actually enjoy this with rice balls, banku, fufu and what have you. Please let me know in the comment section what you will enjoy this soup with. Thank you for watching. Bye.